dear students, it is a chapter wise revision and chapter wise payment. You no need to pay full amount. If you want only that particular chapter revision, you can pay only that particular amount. Suppose if you want relation functions chapter revision, 110 rupees only you can pay for complete chapter revision. 1 mark, 2 marks, 3 marks, 5 marks, all the questions we can cover. So for inverse trigonometry, if you want revision, only 30 rupees, because it's only 3 mark questions. You can, how to pay means you can pay through Google Pay, Phone Pay to 9538 956838. It is a best opportunity for the students who want to select their particular chapter. If you are weak in only particular chapter, you can pay only that chapter amount and you can take the revision. This is only possible now, chapter wise revision. Now matrices chapter, if you want revision, you can pay 90 rupees through Google Pay or Phone Pay to 9538 956838. It is an opportunity for the students to understand only that particular chapter. If you have a doubt only in one chapter, why to take complete classes? Only that particular chapter amount you can pay and you can take the revision. Come back to the determinant chapter, dear students. The determinant chapter, you can pay 120 rupees for complete determinant chapter revision. We will cover 1 mark, 2 marks, 3 marks, 4 marks as well as 5 marks. Whatever blueprint is there, according to blueprint we can cover in the revision time. And if you come back to the continuity differentiability chapter, it is a 21 marks chapter in the final examination. It's a very important chapter. If you want a complete revision of this chapter, 1 mark, 2 marks, 3 marks, 5 marks and 4 marks, you can pay 200 rupees through Google Pay or Phone Pay or Paytm to 9538 956838. This is the opportunity for the students to revise only that particular chapter. Whatever chapter you want revision, only for that chapter only you can pay. No need to spend more amount, only that particular chapter amount you can spend. Next, application of derivatives, dear students. If you want to application of derivatives revision, you can pay just 110 rupees. You can pay through Google Pay or Phone Pay to 9538 956838. We will take classes through Zoom. We can send the Zoom ID and password. Next, very important chapter, integration. It is a 25 marks chapter. 25 marks it will come in the final examination. Most of the students are asking, we want revision on integration. This is the best opportunity. If you want only integration revision, you can pay 250 rupees through Google Pay or Phone Pay to 9538 956838. Next is application of derivatives chapter. This is a 8 marks chapter, 1 3 marks and 1 5 marks it will come. So what if you want revision only this particular chapter, application of derivatives, application of integration correction, you can pay only 80 rupees and you can take the complete revision of this particular chapter. Like the chapter wise revision and chapter wise payment, you don't need to pay for all the chapters. If you want revision only in that particular chapter, you can pay only that particular amount. Come back to the differential equations chapter, it is only 110 rupees. It 1 mark, 1 2 mark, 1 3 marks, 1 5 marks, total 11 marks it will cover in differential equations. Similarly, if come back to the vector algebra chapter, dear students, in vector algebra also you have 1 mark, 1 2 marks, 1 3 marks, 1 5 marks, total 11 marks. If you want only vector algebra chapter revision, you can pay only 110 rupees through Google Pay or Phone Pay or Paytm to 9538 9568. After payment receiving, we can send one Zoom link, ID and password with that particular chapter. You can start taking the revision. Next, come back to the 3D geometry chapter. 3D geometry also you can pay 110 rupees through Google Pay or Phone Pay, because it is also 11 marks chapter. So only that particular chapter, if you want revision, only that particular amount you can pay. It is easy for all the students, no need to spend more amount and no need to spend more time. Suppose probability chapter, if you want revision, you can pay only 110 rupees. You can pay through Google Pay or Phone Pay or Paytm to 9538 956838. After receiving amount, we can send Zoom ID and password. 1 mark, 2 marks, 3 marks, 5 marks in that particular chapter. Whatever questions, whatever scheme of evaluation according to blueprint we will cover. The last chapter, LPP, it is a 70 marks, 70 rupees if you want 7. It is a 7 marks chapter. If you want LPP revision, you can pay 70 rupees through Google Pay or Phone Pay or Paytm to 9538 956838. Dear students, please utilize this opportunity of chapter wise revision, chapter wise payment. Please share this video to your friends, they can utilize it. Thank you very much for watching this.